Oh, I like that one. Oh, it's definitely high fashion. Dope. Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, right.
I like that one. Like, oh, that's dope. That's crazy.
And that was you laughing.
That's good. Your work is insanely good. Oh my gosh, I definitely forgot I dyed my eyebrows.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just took a train somewhere downtown, meeting a model, about to shoot. It's a nice day out. Got the jean jacket. Kind of hot when you sit in the sun, but we'll be on a train. It was crowded, so I'm not too sure how this is gonna go. Might shoot outside the train. It is what it is. We'll come up with something. Creative minds, right? Let's go. Alright, this isn't bad actually. Perfect. You want to give me like a lean up? Hand on the face maybe?
ICU station. Doors open left. Puertas se abren a la izquierda.
I've been in worse situations.
Alright, you can get in the middle right here then. Try to capture everything.
I've already dealt with last week.
Try to take these glasses off. Try to kick this leg out towards me. Yeah, but no, keep it on the floor though. Just do a nice little stretch. Keep coming, keep coming. There you go. Put this leg over here actually. Yeah. And then lean towards it more so. Yeah. Alright. Push it out a little bit more. Keep going. This side. Yeah.
Oh, what were you saying?
Yeah, your back is gonna be leaning here. You're gonna give me like a hip thrust. There we go. Perfect. Hold on. White balance. Good. No food, unfortunately. Might have $1 though.
I have some change.
Good idea.
Ouch.
Next station. Siguiente
I
estación.
catch the train going by. I'm like, oh shit. Kick your leg up towards here. A little bit more. shoot was a success. On my way back home. Can't wait to edit. Can't wait to eat, actually. Need to eat before I edit. Alright, had to cross the street. But yeah, about to go home, eat, edit these photos. It was real good. Got to shoot with the ultra wide. I did get a couple of shots with the 35. I didn't get as many shots as I wanted, but you know, just make this content.
Soundstripe.